many people are complaining that they don't know how to make sales online. Some of them are saying they are actually posting and posting and posting every day as much as they can. They are being consistent, but they are not making sales. Now, what some of these people don't understand is that for you to make sales online, it is not about posting. For you to make sales online, you need to know how to be visible. Trust me, guys, you can post from now to tomorrow and nobody is seeing what you're posting. You don't know that? You can be posting from now till the end of this month and people are not seeing you at all. So I want you all to actually know this for free, that for you to sell online, you need to be visible. And how can you be visible? You need to learn how to drive traffic to your page. Either you're selling on Instagram or Facebook or even your website, you need to know how to drive traffic, how to get traffic. And when we say traffic, we mean people, how to generate leads, how to get people. You need to know how to do that. Visibility, I must tell you, currently is not cheap. If you want to sell online and you want to be visible, to be able to get to the faces of your target audience, you need to spend money for it. Let's just be honest, you need to spend money. So one thing I've decided to teach you all for free is how to run Facebook ads from beginning to end. Guys, people pay me as high as 50,000 naira for my one-on-one coaching to learn this. But if you are following Onyi Onwura on this channel, this is my way of saying thank you, right? I want to teach you how to make sales online using Facebook and Instagram ads. I am somebody that know how to run ads. I have been running ads for the past 7 years. Even before I started selling physical products, I have been selling digital products way back in the days. So, and we have been using Facebook ads to actually sell these our products. So I want to teach you how to run Facebook and Instagram ads from scratch. People of God, I will teach you how to make use of your phone to learn this. I usually see some coaches online say, oh, you cannot use your phone to run converting ads. Guys, it is true that it is more easier for you to do this on laptop just because your laptop screen is elaborate. You can see everything easy peasy. But you see that same thing you're doing with your laptop, right? You can actually do it 100% with your smartphone. No, but people will not tell you this. So you can do it 100% with your smartphone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it on your smartphone. I have a laptop, but I choose not to do this on my laptop because I know that most people watching me, they are small business owners, startup business owners, and they don't have a laptop yet. They want to be able to leverage on what they have handy, which is your smartphone, to run ads. Before we go into the practical section, because this is going to be more of practical, before we go into the practical section, if you're new here, you're welcome to the channel. These days, forgive my manners, I usually forget to welcome the new people and also greet and hail my returning subscribers. So if you're new here, you're welcome to the family. My name is Onyi Onwura, and here on this channel I create content on how to start and run a successful business online. I go in depth with importation business, how to sell on Instagram, how to run sponsored ads, just like this particular video you're watching right now, right? So if you find this video helpful, or if you know you're interested in videos like this, do ensure you subscribe and turn on your bell notification so that you don't miss out on my subsequent upload. And you can equally watch my other videos. They are so insightful, they are so valuable content. And if you are a returning subscribers, my OGs, you're welcome back again to the channel. And trust me, I'm doing this for you all. My returning subscribers, I'm doing this for you all, right? I want to show you how to do it, so you don't need to keep paying one coach to the other, paying money that you would have used to fund your ads account. You're just paying people to set audience for you. No, you're not going to do that after watching my videos. Okay, so let's dive straight into it. If you want to run Facebook ads, before I share my screen, if you want to run Facebook or Instagram ads, you need to ask yourself, what is it that I am selling? What is that product I'm selling? Is it a physical product or a service-based product or a digital product? What exactly are you selling? Are you selling a course? Are you selling clothes? Are you selling bags? Are you selling content tools? Are you selling what are you selling exactly? Because this is so important, as it will determine how you will pick your target audience. It will determine how you will pick other things that are related to your ads and that will make your ad convert. What are you selling? Personally, I sell physical product. I sell bags. So I'm going to be using bags as an example, right? So if you sell physical product, it will be the same. If you sell digital product, I will tell you when to, twerk things around. Do you understand? Guys, if you're running ads for the first time, there are majorly 3 different types of ads, right? We have what is called the awareness ads, we have the traffic ads, and then we have one that you can call your sales ad. I don't usually like calling it sales ad because even your traffic and your awareness ads can give you sales. That is why I want to explain to you critically first before we go into the practical section, because if you don't understand this basis, when we go into the practical, you will not really catch up. If you're just running ads for the first time, I would not advise you to go and start running like a sales ad, directing people to your website. Maybe you have a website. If you're running ad, if you're a beginner when it comes to running ads, you need to run what is known as awareness ad. Just like the name implies, awareness. You want people to be aware that you are here. You want people to see you. This is more like a visibility ad. You're just pushing yourself out there so that people can see you, see the product you sell, see the service you render, and be able to engage, maybe like your post, share your post, save your post, even follow you. That is the kind of ads you need to start running, and this kind of ads are usually one of the cheapest ads to run currently. Awareness ads are so cheap, right? You're not spending much. You can run awareness ad with a daily budget of 2,000 naira. Yeah, you can run awareness ads with a daily budget of 2,000 naira and decide to scale it up later. So that is for awareness ads. The next one is traffic. Yes, awareness ad will actually bring traffic to your page. But this one I'm talking about, which I'm going to show you when we go into the practical section, is if you want to get likes, you want to get sales, you want to get followers. That is to say, you want to grow your page, your business page, be it your Instagram page, your Facebook page, you want to grow it fast. You need to run a kind of campaign that is known as the traffic campaign. Right now, when you're running a traffic campaign, you're actually directing people either to your Facebook page, to your Instagram page, or even you're driving traffic to your website. This is known as traffic campaign. Now, what is the essence of running a traffic campaign? When you're running a traffic campaign, it is either because you want awareness again, because when people are going to your page, your Instagram page, your Facebook page, you want them to be aware, to know what your business is all about, so that they can in turn engage. Now, engagement can be in the form of like, share, saves, and even follow. So with traffic campaign, you're also creating awareness for your business. If you're not driving traffic to your website directly, that is to say, you want people to just head over to your website from your ads, you want them to head over to your website and buy. That is not the best way to run ad. That type of ad is even expensive, and it is not the best way, because people don't just click on ads and buy immediately, except they know you. Isn't it? People will not just see your ads for the first time, and for that very first time they are clicking, they are heading over to your website. Some of them will just go through your website and they'll click out because they don't know you. For people to do business with you, there needs to be a kind of trust. People cannot just see you from nowhere, and you want them to just head over to your website immediately and make purchase. For traffic, we also have messages. You want people to message you on maybe your Instagram DM, your WhatsApp. Trust me, even I must tell you the fact, one of the best ad that you can run as a small business owner is the traffic campaign, or you call it the traffic ad, however you want to name it. I will tell you this for free. As a small business owner and somebody that don't have millions to spend on ads, right? One of the best ad that you can start running that will give you conversion in terms of both sales, engagements, follows, and everything is running what is known as the traffic campaign, right? Or even awareness. Do you understand? Now, with traffic to your page, traffic to your Instagram page, driving traffic to your Facebook page, people are heading over to your page, and when they head over to your page through your ads, they are seeing what you sell. They see what your page is all about. They are able to read your bio instead of sending them directly to your website or sending them directly to your DM. Send them to your page first, so they'll be able to scroll, see your page, if possible read reviews if you have those reviews on your page. That's why reviews are important. Read reviews if you have those reviews on your page. See your behind the scene. When they are going through all of this, they are kind of connecting. they'll start trusting you to be able to buy from you. Most people that click on your ads for the first time do not buy from you for the first time. In fact, it is just a very small percentage of people that click on your ad for the first time buy from you almost immediately. The percentage is very tiny. Some of them follow you to monitor your page, see what you're doing, tend to like know you from a distance. I mean, to know you, the KLT factor, knowing you, liking you to an extent, and then trusting you to bring out their money and buy. Do you understand what I just explained now? Again, before we go into the practical section, I want you to know that if you have money to spend on ads, but you don't know how to use the right ad creative, your ad is gonna flop. Your ad is not going to convert. What do I mean by ad creative? The text you're using for your ad, the picture or the video you're using for your ad. These two are so important. I usually tell people, if you're a small business owner and you don't have the best phone to give you the best video, please, if you want to run ad, go borrow phone from somewhere, so that when you're making a video or taking a picture of that product that you want to use to run ad, it is clear, it is crisp. People are buying online. They want to see that thing you're selling and believe that it is worth it. They are not seeing that product physically. So convince them from that ad creative, from that video you're using to run ad. Be able to bring out a very high quality video. Do you understand what I'm saying? Your ad creative is important. Another thing that is important that will make your ad convert like magic. This is something that I have been using. And guys, I'm gonna live like I run ads a lot though. My business, I run ads. I don't joke with ads at all. I run ads almost every day. For 365 days, I'm running ads. Right? But the point is that I'm seeing the conversion, I'm seeing the return. I'm not wasting money. I am seeing return on investment. Ad is an investment. Somebody was asking me the other day, Onye, the ads I'm running is just as if it's try your luck. I'm just trying my luck. Nah, I don't want you to see running ads as trying your luck. I want you to see running ads as investment. This theory is so important though. I want you to see running ads for your business as an investment for your business. That is why I told you all, especially those of you that are into product-based business. When you're pricing your product, include the cost for marketing and advertisement to the price of your product. Include it. It is part of your cost. It is part of your expenses. Because if you just buy goods and you dump them in your store, no marketing, how do you expect to sell? So your marketing and advertisement fee or cost should be added to the price of your product. Some of you are doing all this or complaining about ads because you don't know how to price. You don't know how to price. You don't know the strategy for pricing your product. This video is already getting too long. I don't want it to be long at all. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to divide this training. This is more like a training, a free training, right? I'm going to divide it into 3 sections. This is section 1 or part 1. I'll be posting the part 2 maybe tomorrow or next. Please ensure you watch each of them. If you don't watch the first one, you jump to the second one, you might not get the information I just shared here, and I will not be repeating it when we go into the practical section. So the practical section I'm going to divide into 2 because it is, ads, Facebook and Instagram ads is really broad. It is really broad. There are some secrets that I'll be sharing with you. You don't need to off your ad. Personally, I don't off my ad. Somebody was asking me, because I shared it with some of my students, and they were saying, Only what if you're running ad with a particular product? Maybe I was running ad for this bag, and this bag gets sold out. Do I continue running ad with this bag? No, I will go into my ads manager and change the creative. Change it to another product I have in stock. But my ad is still running because I already noticed that this ad is actually converting. Why should I stop it? If you have an ad that is converting so well, you don't need to pause that ad. Allow it to run. I have ad I've been running since early last year. That ad has been giving me the highest number of followers I have came from that ad. I've been running that ad since early last year. The particular product I used in running that ad got completely sold out. I switched to another product and the same result is still coming in. So let me pause here so I don't too much information in one. Some of you might be confused. So if you have more questions about ads, leave them in the comment section, so that when I'm creating the other videos, I'll be able to be answering your questions. Do you understand? So important. Leave all your questions, all the questions you've been asking only about Facebook and Instagram ads, leave them down in the comments, so that when I'm creating the other two videos, I'll be able to be answering them along. Do you understand? So that after this ad section, you have no reason whatsoever again to struggle with Facebook and Instagram ads. Trust me. Guys, like this video so that I'll know you're interested. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that. Leave your comment. I want to see your comment. This is so important, so that I will know that people are really interested in this. It's a free, you're not paying me a dime. Okay, let's just do this and get it done with. You know I love you.